Hey iPhone users, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily install mSpy on your iPhone device. Whether you're setting up parental controls or just looking to monitor a device for security reasons, mSpy is one of the best tools out there. I've personally tested it, and I'll walk you through the whole process from downloading to setting it up correctly so you can start monitoring right away. Stick around to the end for some helpful tips to make sure the installation goes smoothly. Just to keep it real, I'm an affiliate for most of the companies I review, but I only recommend products I've personally tried and trust. If you're considering giving them a try, using the affiliate link below not only supports the channel, but also unlocks an exclusive discount you won't find otherwise. It's a great way to get the best deal while supporting the channel at the same time. To install mSpy, start by purchasing a subscription by clicking link in description. Create an account using a valid email address, choose the device you want to monitor, select a subscription package. mSpy offers different subscription options depending on how long you want to use the service. You can choose from a 1-month plan at around $48, a 3-month plan at about $28 per month, or a 12-month plan at roughly $11 per month. The 12-month plan offers the best value for long-term monitoring. mSpy offers two main methods for monitoring an iPhone: through iCloud and Wi-Fi. Each method has its own set of features and benefits. The first method utilizes their iCloud account. If you know their credentials, this method is perfect for you. Simply log into your mSpy account with the credentials sent to your email, then enter your loved one's iCloud login details. mSpy will send a 6-digit code for 2-factor authentication to their iPhone. Enter this code into the mSpy account to link their device. Once completed, you can start viewing their contacts, photos, calendar plans, and more. It's a straightforward way to start monitoring without needing physical access to their device. But what if you want more detailed information? That's where the Wi-Fi method comes in. Here's how it works. After purchasing the mSpy app, you'll need to install an additional app included in your subscription. To set up the app, follow these steps. Install the app on your Mac or PC. Connect the target iPhone to your Mac or PC via the USB cable. Allow the app to retrieve information from the iPhone via Wi-Fi. Disconnect the iPhone to start monitoring. Once set up, you'll receive data from their phone whenever they are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This includes call logs, photos, videos, contacts, notes, WhatsApp, Line, and Viber messages, among other features. As you can see, Wi-Fi Sync offers more functionalities compared to the iCloud method. For even more features, mSpy offers a jailbreak option. This includes monitoring their exact location, setting safe and dangerous zones on the map, and receiving alerts when they cross these zones. To sum it up, mSpy stands out as one of the best monitoring and tracking software solutions with a comprehensive set of features. It's reliable, competitively priced, and supported by a friendly customer service team. Whether you're a parent, partner, or employer, mSpy provides the tools you need to ensure the safety and productivity of those you care about. If you're interested in trying out mSpy, click the link in the description below to get started.